Okay, I just want to take a couple minutes to show you partial sums addition and how your second grader is learning double digit and triple digit
Dave, would you
addition
please come to the
here
office?
at school.
Dave, could you please come to the office?
So we started here in second grade by using base 10 blocks to demonstrate how to do partial sums. And so each flat, we call these flats, are worth 100. The tens, we call those longs, and then these are cubes, and obviously those are worth 1. So when we first started learning partial sums, we use base 10 blocks. And so all we do is you have 300 plus 100, and they visualize that and see that that equals 400. And then next what they do after they add the hundreds is they add their tens, so realizing that 20 plus 20 equals 40. And then they add their ones place, so adding their cubes. And then they would realize that their answer to 323 plus 122 would be 445. And then I told the second graders that they're not going to walk around the rest of their life with base 10 blocks, so they need to know how to use paper pencil to solve these problems also. So you may have seen your child dividing their place value, their columns, and that's really just an organization strategy. Eventually they'll be able to just do it without dividing their columns, but for many of them it helps them organize their thinking. So this is the hundreds column or their flats column. The tens are the longs, and then the ones are the cubes. So we always start with the place value that's worth the most, so that would be the hundreds place value here. So again, it's really important for the second graders to understand that this number doesn't mean 3 because it's in the hundreds place. It means 300. So I stress that a lot here in the classroom. So 300 plus 100 would be 400, just like with the base 10 blocks. 20 plus 20 equals 40. And then 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then all that's left to do is add their columns. So sorry about that glare, but and then they would add 4, 4, and 5, and again the answer would be 445. I just want to stress that it's great if your second grader has lots of different strategies to use, if they're using the traditional algorithm that we learned growing up for doing double and triple digit addition. But this strategy really helps them understand the meaning behind the numbers that they're adding, understanding again that this means 20. This means 100. So hopefully this helped. Again, don't hesitate to ever email or let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for supporting your second graders math learning at home as well.